Hey guys, the 2024 Mazda RX-9 and the Mazda RX-badged sports car are a rare breed these days, with the last being from the RX-8, which is debate 2003 model year and ran through to 2012 with a refresh along the way. You might remember the 2+2 4-door coupe features in X-Men the movie from the same year, a car that was a departure from the two-seat and two-door sports car from the earlier generation, and previous RX-7 were a highly competitive in the Japanese racing and also become even more famous stateside in the very Fast and Furious movie. So the RX-9, arriving over a decade after the last RX-8 was rolled off the production line, this means will be a first RX-badged Mazda debate in a full 20 years, and the brand has had a significant amount of time for deciding where to take RX-9 conceptually and develop those ideas into something representative of what a competent sports car would be present day. And the new sports car also must something unique Mazda, and looking at the Mazda RX car of the past and what is technically possible today should help shape an idea of what to accept and expect. And here's what we know about the RX-9 based on what Mazda is currently doing. As a new hybrid using Mazda rotary generator platform called e-Sky Active REV, seems like a likeness of the powertrain and the Gran Turismo Sport driving simulator from the 2020 debate as the Mazda RX Vision GT race car concept, a car that would features an upgraded four-rotor Wankel's engine producing nearly around 600 horsepower. So the new RX-9 should be simpler design. Mazda is a one bit of the role, lately releasing vehicles in multiple classes featuring the design language first seen in the concept from the 2040 to 2015, including very silk RX Vision concept you can see in the picture. And even the four-door RX-8 had a fantastic coupe like the proportion, although not directly reminiscent of its RX-7 predecessors. The long hood and the